Winter has officially arrived and it is colder than a snowman snowballs out here. Welcome to Hoth. Hey, how's it going? So a couple months ago, Tesla released a new product on their official website for the Model 3 and the Model Y. They are illuminated door sills that basically say the name of the model vehicle that you bought for. And they cost $250. It's only for the front doors. And you have to peel off the old original door sill before you install those. I thought there was a better way to do this, and Hansshow has come out with a new product that does exactly that. So Hansshow also has illuminated door sills for either Model 3 or it'll say Model Y if that's the one you order. You could get the chrome version or the black version, kind of depending on which model vehicle you have, what year you have. Some of them, the newer ones have black ones. So it's really whatever you like. But the beautiful thing about the Hansshow kit is you don't have to remove the original door sills because these are cut out to fit on top of it. And it also comes with rear lit up door sills. So it's a full set. All the doors are going to have illuminated door sills with the name of the model vehicle. And it costs less than the Tesla version. And if you use my discount code, you'll save even a ton more. All right, let's install these things. They're super easy. It'll probably take you just a few minutes to do each side. Not a big deal at all. You don't have to wire anything. It is run on batteries. There's going to be 2 batteries on either side here. You just peel this off to reveal the battery. They are replaceable. Hansshow says that these batteries will last you about 3 years, so you won't have to worry about anything to do with changing batteries for a while. If you do need to change the batteries, they're only held on by adhesive tape, so you'll just have to remove tape and then put some new tape on if you need to replace this part. Tape like this you can buy at any big box store. I've seen it all over the place. It's just 3M tape. So let's go ahead and start working on this. All right, so these are the original door sills here. We are not going to pull these up. If you ordered the Tesla ones from the Tesla website, you will have to remove these, and they are a big pain in the butt to remove. A lot of people are bending these and just totally destroying them trying to get these off. If you did buy the Tesla version and you're wanting to remove these, my pro tip would be to get some light gauge fishing line and kind of put it in here and use it kind of like dental floss, where you're just moving it back and forth and sliding it both sides all the way down this way, fishing line underneath here. That'd probably be the best way to do it without ruining it. But even then, there's no guarantees it won't get destroyed. So the Hansshow version is actually better because it just adheres on top of this and it looks seamless. Also, no wires to run. It's all battery powered. So I think it's a great product. Let's go ahead and install it and see how it looks. Okay, step 1 is to clean this thoroughly. Make sure there's no moisture, no water of any kind. I used a little bit of denatured alcohol rubbed on this just to get any kind of oils, any waxes from, cleaning supplies that you use on the car, any grease stains, anything from your shoes. You just want to make sure it gets super clean. And I also recommend that you clean underneath your door, right under here, because this is where the magnet's going to sit that turns this off and on. All right, so this is the front door sill, and as you see, there are 2 batteries here, and that is the battery size that you would replace these with, the CR2032s or the CR2430. Either one will work. Double-sided tape, both ends. Make sure it's clean. It's going to sit on top like that, and it doesn't slide around because it is a perfect fit. going to basically just press down on both sides where the double-sided tape is, and that's going to make a good bond right here. This little foam piece is a guide for where we're going to have the magnet. This is your magnet. It just peels off of this right here. This is taped down like that. So the kit comes with these rings here. You're going to peel one off, and the sticky part is going to be facing up. And I'll show you where to put it. Right here. Like that. You just want it to rest on there like that, sticky side up. The reason for that is we're going to close the door, and it's going to stick to the bottom of the door underneath. See? So the ring is no longer on this because we had the sticky side up and closed the door. The ring is now right here. So this is just a guide of where you're going to stick the magnet. This is your magnet. It just peels off here like this. And there's a sticky side. Looks, the backing already came off. So we need to grab this, and I'll put the sticky side in that little ring. All right, so the magnet is now in the ring. You can either leave this ring on or you can peel it off. It's up to you, doesn't matter. But now I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. Let's close the door and see if the light turns on. And it does. It's hard to tell in the daylight, but that is illuminated. It'll stay on for about 30 seconds and then it'll shut itself off, and that just saves battery. So that front door sill literally took me less than 2 minutes to install. This is a super easy job, guys. So highly recommend doing this. So much easier than the Tesla ones that you have to buy on their website that you have to peel off the original. Don't do that. This is way easier and it looks amazing. Again, this is what it looks like. It looks like it's from the factory, guys. This looks amazing to me. The rear door sill is going to be a little bit more difficult just because you have to find a little spot to put it. It doesn't lay on top of anything that's already there. So you have to create your own guide of where to put it. I'll show you how to do that as well. Still super easy, but it does require a little bit more skill. Okay, this is the rear door sill. It's the same way. You see it's got the little guide here. It's got the little magnet. It's got everything. These are your two batteries, adhesive on both sides. It's got everything you need. And the only difference is, as you see, there's not a door sill already there to lay this on top of. It is not recessed like the front one is, so it will lay flat. So let me just show you how this one goes. Okay, so I just wiped all the moisture off of the door sill there, so it's already prepped. I put a little bit of denatured alcohol to clear off any grime that may be stuck to that. So it's a good, clean, prepped surface. Did the same for underneath the door there where the magnet is going to stick. There really are no instructions that come with these things, so you just kind of have to figure a lot of this out on your own. I don't think this part even matters, but came with the kit, so why not? Yeah. So before we remove the tape, let's do a dry fit first, and I'll show you how to line this up. So basically you want to kind of slide this around just a little bit until you feel that it kind of sits in place. There's a little flat space that it fits just perfectly. If you push too far this way, it feels weird. If you push too far that way, it feels weird. Same either way. It just, you'll feel it. Once you get it there, that feels like that's a good spot right there. So I'm just gonna get some painter's tape and create a little border. So this is more of a guide of how you're going to set it back down once you take this tape off. All right, so now that you have the backing off, you just kind of line it up to where you kind of had it. And you press down. Again with the guide rings here, we're going to take this off. Sticky side facing up. And we're going to close the door. So again, the guide ring is no longer there. It is stuck to the underside of the door. That is our guide to put the magnet, which is right here. Like this. Just need to take the little backing off and then stick it underneath, and we'll be done with this side. All right, so I've got the magnet stuck here. Like I said, you can either leave this ring on or you can peel that off. I've already proven that it works just fine with it on, so I think I'm gonna leave it on just to kind of shield it from weather and things like that. So now we just peel this off. That's the finished product. Let's go ahead and close the door. And it is illuminated. Just follow the same steps for the passenger side and you'll be all done. All right, I just pulled into the garage where it's a little bit darker, so let's take a look at this here. So there you go. Yeah, it looks really cool. I bet this is gonna look amazing when it's nighttime, especially if you have the puddle lights also, which I do. You just can't see it in the day. But the combination of these door sills and the puddle lights is going to be awesome. Okay, so my final thoughts. The installation couldn't be any easier. I think they look amazing. They feel solid. It doesn't feel cheap in any way. And it's cheaper than the official ones from Tesla, and you get 4 instead of just 2. So I think it's a great deal. Use my coupon code BecauseTesla, and you'll save even more money, and it'll be a even better value at that price point. So I think this is a winner, guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you think this is cool, if you think it's stupid. I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you like the channel, consider subscribing. And I will see you guys real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.